I'm Rainy, and today we're making meatless taco meat for taco salad.
Or whatever you want.
Or whatever you want. To get started, we'll take two 12-ounce bags of riced cauliflower. I just found these in the frozen section and just put them on a baking sheet. I've lined this baking sheet with a non-stick sheet to help me out, and then I'm gonna just spread the cauliflower out into a flat layer. You can also use fresh cauliflower with this, but the frozen is just a little less messy. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven that I've preheated to 475 for the next 30 minutes. While the cauliflower is roasting, I'm gonna go ahead and cut about a cup of walnuts into smaller pieces. And then we're gonna set them to the side because we're gonna add them to the cauliflower in just a few minutes. While we wait on that, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce though, which is gonna start with a half a cup of water, and then we're gonna add a 6-ounce container of tomato paste. And then just stir it really well. Now for our spices, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic, okay, and then about a tablespoon of paprika, chili powder, and cumin. Paprika, I'm going to do a half a tablespoon of chili powder just to take some of the heat off. And then I'm gonna mix that up. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and just stir it. We can set that to the side while we wait, and then I'm going to chop about a tablespoon of jalapeno slices. If you want it to be less spicy, you could leave out the jalapeños. I'm going to chop up some cilantro leaves. Okay. The cauliflower is a little brown on the top, and so we know it's ready to add our walnuts. So I'm just gonna take the walnut pieces and add it into the cauliflower mix. Just give it a stir again to evenly distribute it. And then we're gonna put it back in the oven, but we're gonna reduce the heat to 450 and then put it back in the oven for just like 10 more minutes so they can kind of get toasted as well. Our cauliflower and walnut mixture is perfectly browned and ready to go. All we're gonna do is add it to this container. Another reason I like to use this baking sheet is because you can just pick it up and dump the cauliflower into your mixing bowl. And now we'll just stir it until all the ingredients are combined, and then it's ready to use. So now we can just scoop some out onto the salad, and it's ready to go. You can do this with tacos or any other Mexican flavored dish, and we will add our cilantro on top, and we'll garnish it with some avocado. We usually put this in a container and store it for the week, and then just use it for lunches throughout the week. If you want to make this recipe, check out the ingredients list and the directions below. And if you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment and hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.